you're having an issue with your dryer where the drum doesn't turn, whether it's an electronics model or a mechanical timer model, the issues are pretty much the same. If you're asking the dryer to do its function and there's absolutely no sound coming from the dryer whatsoever when you go to start it, and the drum's not turning, then you're probably going to want to start and go right back to your power supply. Make sure that your fuses and your breakers are in an on position and that your dryer is plugged into the wall outlet. If it's making a sound, as in the motor's humming or trying to turn, or some sort of sound coming from your dryer, then something may be preventing it from turning. The drum may be jammed, there may be something in amongst the drum felt that's stopping the drum from turning, in which you'll start to hear a humming sound or a bit of a buzzing sound. The other situation you may be getting is the possibility that you've got a broken belt. On most dryers, no matter who they're built by, they'll have some sort of a mechanism that if the belt breaks, the dryer will not run. So you'll want to check that. And to do that, you're just basically going to open the door of your dryer, reach in and grab one of the baffles inside and just rotate that drum. If it rotates really easy with a little effort, then the belt is definitely broken. Either that or the belt has jumped off the idler pulley, and again, there's no real connection to the motor. So if it's really easy to turn, you want to take a look and see if the belt's broken or it's come off. If there is resistance and it is difficult to turn and the machine's not going and it's just humming, you may need to have it looked at. The motor may be a problem or one of the bearings may be seized up. And otherwise, you may need to have a professional come in and diagnose the product for you.